Do better, Farmington Hills Police Department. Do better, Chief King.
We've got to bring awareness, because when we all get together as a people to say this is not going to happen, we can make change. And the question is there some type of conspiracy? And the only thing that we're left to do is to speculate.
And they took the little kids, this Cub Scout troop, down, I guess in the basement, where they do the target practice. And their targets were all black men. And I just was outraged by that.
Fearing backlash, a family whose child was a part of that trip contacted attorney Dionne Webster Cox to speak out on their behalf, to express outrage over why the only images used in the target practice are those of black men.
Farmington Hills Police Department, you need to do better. Why is there no diversity? I don't see how any black man walking in Farmington is going to be, I don't know how they're safe.
Attorney Webster Cox says she is not filing a lawsuit, but is working to raise awareness.
For me, it was life or death. I couldn't allow the discretion of them at that point for my survival.
They look nothing alike whatsoever. But how is it that my client gets tackled by this officer?
I feel ultimately betrayed by the very same people that I give resources to protect me and my family.
Webster Cox is suing Abbott on behalf of 5 families who claim their children had adverse effects from drinking various brands of Abbott's powdered formula, including Wendy Jackson and her newborn son, Daxton.
When we fed him the Similac, he had bad constipation. He had thick, scaly scalp issues. He had eczematous, thick scales on the side of his body. And as soon as we changed, that stopped. It cleared up.
Healthy babies who had ingested Similac, the powder formula, and the children exhibited these symptoms. And once they stopped, the symptoms went away.
Another thing to have 3 police officers arrive at the scene of the crime and say that it was a murder, and then without our knowledge, they change his cause of death to a suicide and throw our story under the rug.
The lawyer in the suit, Dionne Webster Cox, says the medical examiner's office is to blame and believes it's all a part of a bigger picture.
What's going on in the Wayne County Medical Examiner's office? And the question is there some type of conspiracy? And the only thing that we're left to do is to speculate. I'm here because they came forward. They said, no, we're human. We can't allow this to happen. It shouldn't be happening to them. Just because they're inmates does not mean they don't get treated with dignity or respect.
Dionne Webster Cox is now representing the 2 women and claims there are other problems at the facility, including drugs.
I didn't know the Orange is the New Black and Wentworth were going on in Michigan. I didn't know. I thought these were just television programs. We know this has happened in the past. But I know in Michigan, back in 2009, millions of dollars have been paid out to address these allegations. If they're still going, somebody didn't get the memo that this behavior is not acceptable.
We showed up!
Yeah. We've got to bring awareness, because when we all get together as a people to say this is not going to happen, we can make change.